Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Roblox and opening the account menu. This gets you to the controls immediately. Once logged in, click the gear icon on desktop or tap the three-dot menu on mobile to access settings. Make sure to confirm account age because privacy options differ for under 13 versus older accounts. Do this first, so the rest of the steps affect the correct permissions and the interface you see will match the instructions that follow. Once in Settings, go to the Privacy tab. This is where Contact and Join permissions live. You'll see sections labeled Who can contact me, Who can join me, and other interaction controls. Adjust each to Friends, No One, or Everyone depending on your comfort. Make sure to change both Chat and Join settings if you want consistent behavior. You're doing this to reduce unwanted messages and invitations, so choose the strictest setting you need. Then pause to check related safety toggles below. You finish by saving or confirming your changes. Many settings apply immediately but log out and back in to ensure they take effect across devices. If some options are locked or grayed out, make sure account age is correct and that parental controls aren't restricting choices. If settings still won't update, clear the app cache or try a different browser. And if problems persist, contact Roblox support with account details. This troubleshooting step prevents lingering permission mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.